It's the one who does it, it's not we.
kubera impamvu ndaza gusoma basubiramwo
I shall read the oath of office, then they will repeat,
kugira ngo ducunguze umwanya.
so that you can redeem time.
Nimuzamure ikiganza cy'iburyo.
Let us request them to lift up their right hand.
Mushake microphone zibakwiriye nimba ziboneka.
You can hold your Bible in the right hand. You hold your Bible in your right hand. Bible in the right hand. Bible in the right hand. Clap for the Lord, an evangelist. We have prepared him enough time. Then he has so many gifts of the Lord. And also God gave him the gift of speaking many languages.
Yes.
Also my sisters also they are ready to serve the Lord as deacon. When I went to Bukavu to ordain a deacon, was a man working in Ofida.
tugereyo tumubwira akazi azaza akora ko azatwara ibikapu by'abapastori no gukoropa mu rusengero ndetse n'amatoilette.
When we reached there, we told him, you shall be carrying the briefcase of the pastors and also mop the toilet.
Tugeze mu giterane nk'uko.
When we reached the conference, just in the midst of the conference, then he said, if you are about to ordain me because of that work, for me, I quit right now. I cannot park my car, then I can't start cleaning the pastor's court. You are being called to serve the Lord. The work that you shall labor, the work of serving the ministry. We shall prepare them and teach them. Lift up your hands. Whoever will mention his name. Everyone will be mentioning his name. And you know what you are going to sharing. You are taking an oath or something that you know.
Mimi.
Zamura microphone. Zamura microphone.
Mimi Makombe Esperance.
Yego.
Mimi Munezero Patience. Mimi Nyahumure Jolie.
Natoa nadhiri
yangu
kwa kanisa la Hope International Ministry ya kwamba nitakuwa mwaminifu kwa huduma kwa jukumu nilizopewa leo kirasmi nitakuwa mtiifu na mhodari nitaheshimu viongozi na wanamemba kwa ujumla wa kanisa sitashiriki kikao cha wasegenyaji au ushauri wasio haki nitahudumu kwa wakati unaofaa na wakati usiofaa. Mungu unisaidie. Mukubali Imana amashyi menshi.
Thank you. May God bless you.
Nimufukame hasi.
Just kneel down.
Hanyuma reka nsabe Reverend Muzuri atambuka imbere.
Let me request Reverend Muzuri to come.
Na Pastor Kefa. Ndetse
also Pastor Mwamba
batambuka imbere
to come here.
Hanyuma umuheza amavuta.
Then give Reverend the anointing oil.
Abadiyakoni bageze banyine bafashe ko dutambaro.
The deacons can help you just to know how to apply the towel.
Dutuje tugiye gusoza.
Silently as we are about to wind up.
yego hanyuma reka
let our reverend
musore
Reverend Musore Muzuri
abasiga suku yamena nutubasiga
is just to anoint them, to anoint with anointing oil.
yaboneka abadiakoni bandi bari hano bazabafashe tafadhali.
Deacons who are here, you can help them just to.
Arabadiakoni kubona agazi hariye muzi mubafashe gatoya.
We have the deacon with us
kugira ngo tuze gusoza
so that we can wind up.
dutuje
silently.
Mubaze mubareke abarya mu maso niho bazabona neza.
Yeah.
Mwene data Faustin
izina rya Yesu Kristo w'i Nazareti tukweretse abagaragu bawe Mana bafukama imbere y'amaso yawe.
Haleluya haleluya
haleluya mwami kugira ngo
umuhamagaro mwiza rya Yesu Kristo imbaraga zirazikomeye imbaraga zihindura imbaraga zirema imbaraga zitegeka
abantu
turasaba imbaraga zirashoboza umurimo umuhamagaro w'ubuzima bwawe
kugira ngo mwami Mana data
Yesu Kristo
imbaraga zawe n'ubuzima bwawe kugira ngo umurimo wawe ukomeze imbaraga zawe zibabeho
kugira ngo umwuka wawe n'imbaraga zawe
gutera imbere mu
kugira ngo tubashe gukora ibirenze twinjira neza gutekereza
bungura ubwenge
kuko imbaraga zawe ziba zituriho kandi zivugira muri twebwe bashoboze mwami Imana yacu bari impamvu yazatuma bagiraho umugayo ahubwo uzabakomeze kugira ngo bazabyare umusaruro mwinshi.
Mwami urakoze kukuzumvishe mu izina rya Yesu tubyambaje amen
amen. Asante muve hasi.
Thank you. Be on your feet. Stand up. On his certificate. Roren Kefa just to give the signature.
Didier Mwamba tambuka imbere.
Didier Mwamba also to sign on the certificate.
Hanyuma reka tuze kuzibahereza twifatisha ifoto buri muntu wese nafate certificate yiwe.
So let everyone hold his certificate so that we may have a picture, one photo. One photo by holding our certificate. This will be a memory that we'll keep on remembering. Celebrate the Lord, celebrate God.
Ya barakoze Imana yazo mugisha.
Thank you, may God bless you.
Ngira ngo mwamwicariye.
I think you can resume your seat.
Reka tubakirize amashyi.
Let us celebrate them as they are sitting. Let us celebrate.
Kandi Imana ikomeze ibahereze umugisha mwinshi.
May God keep on giving his blessings unto you.
Tudatinze
without now taking too
reka
much time.
dusabe Mitera atambuka imbere.
Let us request Mitera just to come over.
Jolie.
Let us request Jolie. Nyahumure.
Hanyuma